ng pag-aasawa at pagpapamilya ay nilayon ni Lord, nilayon ng Diyos na pamugaran, alam mo, pugad. Ibig sabihin, parang tahanan, dwelling place of your love. Pugad ng tunay na kasiyahan at fulfillment. Ayan. Hindi naman sinasabi na wag, hindi na kayo magkakaproblema. Pero, pag tinuloy-tuloy natin ang aral sa Bible, makikita na niyo how you will manage the problems that comes in your life.
To my beloved husband, first of all, I love you. Up to now, hindi pa nagsisik-in na umabot tayo dito sa oras na to, na ikakasal na tayo. I'm so very thankful kay Lord kasi sa 1,000,000 tao, pinagtagpo niya tayo.
Marilyn, I still remember the first time we met. It's not as magical as we see on movies or romantic, like others. It was complicated, but sometimes you just fall for someone you would never expect. And when it does, you just lose everything irrational reasoning you have, and just dive in that moment and be happy and fall in love. It's not wrong, it's just natural.
So, ibig sabihin, sacrificial yung love, Inahandog niya ang buhay para sa kanya, church. So, ang asawang lalaki na nagmamahal sa asawang babae ay handang ibigay ang lahat, pati buhay sa kanyang asawa. Hindi lang material. Ibinigay ko naman lahat sa'yo. Ano pang hahanapin mo? Hindi ko. Buhay mo ay handa mong ibigay para sa kanya. Katulad ng kay Kristo, namatay siya para sa atin.
I know you and I are both scared of making the same mistakes we had on our past. But it's a good thing we build up our courage, took up the chance, and gambled on each other, and it was worth it. Every day from the moment I opened my eyes and see you, I can't help to be amazed and always thank God that I have the opportunity to hold you, your hand in my life.
Ang galing. We don't have any connection sa social media, sa ating mga kaibigan at lalong sa lugar kung saan tayo nakatira at ipinanganak. Napaka-imposible na magkita, pero naniniwala ako na ako ngayon sa salitang tinadhana. I definitely made for you sa harap ng dambana na ito at sa lahat ng mahal natin sa buhay na saksi sa ating pagmamahalan at sa Diyos, mamahalin kita panghabang buhay.
Thank you for letting me choose you always. And I could always thank you for loving me. But instead, I want to thank you for showing me that I deserve to be loved. And I could also thank you for fixing me. But instead, I want to thank you for showing me that I was never broken.
Sasabi niyo, ikaw talaga yung gusto kong maging asawa. Alam mo na ayaw natin na pareho ng drama at seryoso. But this time, konti lang ha. Excited na akong harapin ang mundo nung magkasama tayo, asawa ko.
I know that our vow may not be perfect, but I promise to be true to you in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health, as God is my witness, I shall and I will love and honor you with everything that I got forever.